Hello, Mario. In this video, I'm going to just take a look at putting in the roof line. So first of all, I'm just going to get just up my my AutoCAD drawing, and then I'm going to have a look at the diagram over here. I might bring that up to full size and just have a wee bit of a look at it here, and we can see that it's just got a roof line around there. Now typically these roof lines follow set dimensions, usually maybe perhaps a 450 or 600. In this case here, we can see that the push out here for the wall there, which is inside the roof line, is around about 500. So I'm picking that this offset here is going to be 600. So I'm going for a 600 offset there for the roof line. It's a fairly simple roof, which we can see from the elevations. If we just drop down there, we can see that it's just a single gable roof. So we'll just go back up there, page up, just a single sort of gable end roof. So it'll just have a single dotted line through the middle, halfway down there. So that's all fairly straightforward. A 600 offset through the middle, and so let's get that done and dusted. So I don't know whether we have a polyline. I'll have some polylines there. Probably the easiest thing is just going to be to establish a polyline around the outside and then offset that by 600. But before we do that, I'm just going to create a new layer here in Layer Properties. So I'm just going to right click here, New Layer, and I'm going to call that new layer Roof Line. Okay, and then I'm just going to double click on that roof line, and that will now be the current layer. I'll close my layer properties and I'll start doing the roof. Now I think for me, under these circumstances, I don't know why I'm getting that little thing there, but anyway, it could possibly be a problem. Oh, we've got some sort of operation happening here, so that's here. Zoom in there. I think the easiest way for me to do this is just to create a polyline around the house. So I'm just going to go polyline, and I'm just going to zoom in there, turn on my snaps, zoom in there. Just remember where I start there, drop out to this corner here, like that, drop down to here. And just by way of the big picture, I'm actually going to do my hatching and fill in the walls. I'm going to do that as probably the last step in drawing this house. And then C for close, so that will make the walls nice and black. So now I have a polyline here in the roof line, and then I'm just going to offset. Oh, for offset, I'm just going to go 600, enter. And then it wants me to select an object. There it is there. I'll select the polyline. Oops. Oh, there it is there. There's my thing. That's all done. It's just sneaking out a bit further outside that setback there. Oh, I see what I've done. Have I done something? Oh yes, I've gone out there. Usually the setback, now that's a bit interesting, and usually the setback is from the framing line that the 600 goes, and I've done the setback from the outside of the brick veneer, so that's not right. So let's just delete that polyline there, and you can see what's happened there. You can see it's way out there, further past there. So I'm just going to delete that there. And what I might do here is just, when I draw the polyline, I just might change the line to magenta, because that may well help me to draw this polyline. So I'm just going to do PL for polyline, or you can click up the top and get into the corner there. Now this is better. And then as having it as magenta, I can see how it's going there. I can drop down here like so and into there. So I'm working inside the cavity there, and with the magenta you can see quite clearly where you're drawing. Okay, and then I'm just going to go C for close, and then quickly offset that. So yeah, that's the one I was drawing. Offset, enter, 600 still, and drop it onto the outside there. I'll delete this polyline here. Oops, that polyline there. So I might just go do a Control Z there. Oops, no, that's all good. I just thought I might have deleted something. So I want to select that polyline there, and I'm going to delete that because I don't need that anymore. This polyline here, it's a dotted line, so I can see that I've got a dotted line here in the windows. So I'm just going to do a match properties and just click on there and drop it into there. So that's all nice and done there. And that's actually changed the thing. I'm just going to change this up here to by layer rather than working in my magenta, because I'm quite happy with what I've got there. This is a polyline there, and I just want to draw a line down the middle now. Just draw a line down here. There's the middle. Oops, it's still drawing in magenta. Let's pop that through there at a right angle. That should be, I should drop that down to by layer. Okay, so just make sure that is there, and let's very simply, we can just match the properties here. Okay, bang, bang. And there you are. We've had the roof line done and all in place, despite a little setback there. So remember, just there, that the roof line actually goes from this line in here, the framing line, or the outside of the frame, and then we go 600 from there, and it comes out something like what's in the plan. So that's all good. Cheers, see you.